Hello everyone, if you like how to learn the graffiti character, I'm going to teach you right now. Hi, my name is Louis Ning Chong. If you learn anything in this channel, go ahead and like it, make a comment, share video, and subscribe to my channel. Here we go. Before you draw a graffiti character, start with a basic stick figure like it's just a drawing. To get the pose right, sketch lightly, begin with the head, then draw the torso and arms. Once you're happy with the pose, build it up by adding form and structure. Next, sketch the clothing. When you're satisfied with the overall design, redraw it as clean line drawing. Lightly erase the rough lines underneath so the final drawing stands out. To better understand human proportion, check out figure drawing tutorials. A quick tip: the torso is about 3 heads tall and around 2 heads wide. Now let's move on to color. I'm using alcohol markers for the piece. For the skin, I'm using sienna brown. The sweater is red, and the hat and pants are gray. And I am adding yellow for the chain around his neck. Watch me as I color. I'll play some music for a bit. But don't go anywhere. I walk you through the inking stage next. For inking, I start with a fine point pen to outline the figure, then go over it with a thicker line for depth. I also add shadows using blank ink, giving it that comic book style look. If you want to learn more about inking, check out videos on penning techniques or comic book inking. Alright, I'll play more music while you watch me ink, but stick around. I got something else to say to the end. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to draw a graffiti character. If you want to see more videos like this, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Louis Ning Chong. Thank you for watching.